Prerna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the ifs and buts of shopping from Aliexpress. Before we get on to the video, here is a little detail behind my inspiration of picking this outfit from Aliexpress. Ever since I was a little child, I was fascinated by Christian weddings, and then I saw this Bollywood movie called Zinki Na Milegi Dobara. I instantly fell in love with Katrina's engagement look, the ambience, the decor, basically everything. So here I am after 7 years talking about the execution of that idea slash inspiration, and that too on a budget. Let's get started. The first step was selecting the right silhouette for my pear-shaped body. I realized that categorizing yourself within a certain geometrical shapes and fruits can sound a little outdated, limiting, and quite frankly weird. But hear me out. If you are aware of your body shape, it will not only help you save a lot of time shopping, but also protect you from asking everyone and yourself that question, do I look good in this outfit? For example, I have a pear-shaped body, which means that my hips are wider than my shoulders. But how does this relate while shopping on Aliexpress? When you go on to Aliexpress, you'll see various sellers selling various gowns in multiple designs and silhouettes. And this is when knowing your silhouette helps. I went for a mermaid flared gown, which means that it was fitted just till the hip and flared below the hip, thereby accentuating the top half of my body and helped me look proportionate. This is what I would recommend everyone, that when you are shopping from Aliexpress or anywhere else, be very sure on the kind of silhouette that you would like to go for to help you look your best and proportionate. The filters would be like a trumpet gown, a A-line gown, a ball gown, or a flared gown. Google out the names, see which gown looks like what, which part of the body it accentuates, and you're good to go. The second step was selecting the right seller. Before I ordered this gown from Aliexpress, a few months back I had ordered a top and a pair of earrings from Aliexpress. When the top got delivered on time, the earrings did not get delivered. I did get my money back, but I went on to draw this conclusion that higher the rating of the seller, the higher are your chances that your product will get delivered. I went with the seller called Jerk Tozer, and the ratings at that time of this seller was above 99%. This is what I would recommend everyone else, that go for a seller who has ratings at least above 95%, or to be specific from 98 to 99%, so that you have a higher chance of getting your product delivered, and not only that, you get the product that you actually had seen in the picture. The third step was selecting the right size. To be honest, when I was ordering from Aliexpress, I was a little anxious and nervous at that time because I was not sure if I was doing the right thing. Therefore, I overlooked a very critical point, which was that the seller was offering me custom sizing. I blindly wrote to seller to send me the gown in size 6. This is what I would request you all to take from my experience, is that if the seller is offering you custom fittings, then be very sure of each measurement which you would like the seller to know. The measurement could be the length of your sleeves, your height. Please include the height of your the heel height of your shoe. Every measurement possible so that you get the best fit. The next step was getting the best price from the seller. When I had decided on the gown, the color, the sizing that I would like to order, I decided to chat with the seller. Yes, Aliexpress offers you this option to chat with the seller. I wrote to the seller sharing the gown, the sizing, the color that I would like to place the order for. The seller shared the timelines for delivery. After that, I wrote to the seller to check if there was a best price possible that he or she would like to offer me. I was lucky enough that the seller offered me a discount which was 5% of the price, and I think that was a good deal. I placed the order last year around 12th July and the product was delivered to me on 13th August, which is roughly around a month. Whenever ordering from Aliexpress, it is always good to have at least 30 to 40 days in hand, and which can go up to maximum 60 days. The last step here is, what if the product is not delivered to you? I was fortunate enough that I didn't have to use this option, but AliExpress offers you the option to open a dispute if you are not satisfied with the quality of the product delivered, or the product was not delivered to you at all. Just hit that open dispute tab and your payment will be processed back to you. That's it for this video. I hope you found it informative. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye.